Okay, my egg protector design is basically a shoebox with styrofoam protection and some bubble wrap inside. The egg will be wrapped in the bubble wrap and placed in this small hatch in the styrofoam structure. My design primarily protects the egg by reducing the force felt by the egg. In both types of collisions, front and side, the styrofoam on the inside of the shoebox absorbs most of the energy at impact. This greatly decreases the amount of energy that's actually transferred to the egg itself. When the protector is dropped from the greatest heights in the front impact tests, it may be slightly crushed, which increases collision time. The collision's impulse, which is equal to the change in momentum, remains constant as long as the height stays the same, since the mechanical energy at that point is just the potential energy. Potential energy is dependent on height, so the same amount of work will be done by gravity as the protector falls. Therefore, if collision time is increased, the force of the impact has to decrease, since impulse is the product of force and time. If the force of the impact decreases, the amount of work done on the protector also decreases, meaning that there's a smaller amount of energy being transferred in the collision, so the egg is more likely to withstand the impact. The same principles apply to the side impact test. When the ball hits the protector, it'll probably be crushed a bit, which extends collision time and therefore decreases the force of the impact and the amount of energy being transferred. For the lower heights in the front impact tests, the structure is probably rigid enough that it won't be crushed. In that case, the styrofoam and the bubble wrap in the protector will absorb almost all the energy from the collision and reduce the force felt by the egg to the point where it's insignificant. So that's how my design will hopefully protect my egg in the different collisions.